Today we explored a beautiful 170-year-old abandoned house in Ohio. This Greek Revival was built between 1850 and 1875. It was originally one of two homes on a 160-acre farm, founded by two brothers. This house is completely full of stuff. So let's head inside and check out this amazing house and property. If you really enjoy our videos, please consider subscribing and supporting us through Patreon. Wow, look at these stairs. Really tall ceilings, probably 12 feet. See multiple layers of wallpaper that's peeling. All original windows. Look how wide the trim is. Sadly, somebody stole or removed the fireplace. The place is completely full of stuff. It's got a pool table. You can see the door is not straight anymore. It's sagged over the years. Can't believe this beautiful house is just rotting. Yeah, look at how... That's not distortion from my lens. That's the whole house caving in. You can actually see up into the second floor. I guess this was a bathroom. Bath. Look how big these rooms are. Closet full of magazines. Here's the kitchen. You can see that it was probably redone in the 50s. Good thing the stairs are there, because there's a big old hole. You can actually see a closet right there, and it's full of clothes hanging. Let's get around to the stairs. Let's check out the upstairs. Ooh, look at the transom windows. Oh, wow, look at the curved wall. Look at the curved wall. That's gorgeous. Again, second floor, super tall ceilings. The missus left her dress hanging on the door. I wonder what caved in right here. Maybe a second set of stairs? I love the old wallpaper. Wow. Upstairs living room. Look at all the yarn. That's one big roll of twine. That is one huge dresser. Huge deck looking out over the woods. It's really a beautiful place for a house. Yeah, so much yarn. Watermelon oven mitt. This house sits on 160 acres of land that was originally the Kennedy family farm. There was also a second house. Sadly, it was burned to the ground in 2016. You can see a photo of it here. The remnants still stand. That house is believed to have been built in 1830. while this one sometime between 1850 and 1875. The other house stayed in the family name until it was burnt down. This house, on the other hand, was purchased by Nancy Breen. She spent much of her adult life here. Nancy was a true Daytonian. She loved things like flying pizza, and she was a Dayton police officer. Nancy was the first female Dayton police officer to retire with a full pension. She was also proud that she never once drew her service weapon. Nancy spent 31 years on the force. Nancy died in 2001. And since then, here this house sits. This house is huge. Houses were smaller back in the day. I don't have any data to back up that statement, but that's just how I feel. Tell me in the comments if that's true. I just don't see many houses that are this grand and this old. So much stuff. I'll go out here in a second. Beautiful hardwood doors. Again, you can see the foundation is seen better days. What? Hey. Things you never expect to find.
Oh shit. Dude.
How, look at this.
That's really cool.
It's gorgeous. The patina on it is like 10 out of 10. I wonder what year it is. It's an old one.
But there's like a bunch of neighbors.
Oh yeah. Rear engine. Doesn't look like this one has a basement. But it is a big 2-story. All brick. Someone painted it white at some point. And you can tell from the angles that aren't supposed to be angled. Foundation has seen better days. Definitely salvageable with enough money. The house would have originally had beautiful wood shutters. You can see the pins the shutters would have sat on. But at some point they were removed. The gutters have trees growing out of all of them. But that's okay. I think it's that time to get out of here. If you guys like this video, don't forget to subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at OOccupied. And as always, be safe out there.